to do my feet. And, you know, like, I would like to do my feet and whatever. At the front desk, they were like, oh, who told you that? I was like, they were acting like I was lying or something like that. You know, like, they was acting like they didn't want. So I said, I already called here and you told me to come here. They was like, oh, nobody isn't available. I said, no, you guys told me I could come here. I drive from so far. I come here and you guys told me I could come here. And next lady was like, you know what? Yeah, let her get a space or whatever it is. And I was like, oh, this was my first red flag. Anyways, I didn't really say anything at all. I just sat there and I calm and, you know, anyways, whatever. I basically was called up. No, I went up to their pedicure section. You know, I went to the pedicure section and did my pedicure. And, you know, after my pedicure, I came downstairs to now pay the bill. Now, when I was paying the bill, this bitch, and I'm gonna call her a bitch because that's what the fuck you are. And you're probably even up on a live here and watch, but I'm not gonna call her name because I'm not bring them on a business place, but it does show no how fatphobic and how discriminative Jamaica is against curvy women and thicker women. Is like, she came around to me and instead of complimenting me, she said to me that you look good, but you could have worn a dress. That is what the bitch said to me. And I said, am I not dressed properly? I said, am I against your dress code? I was in a fucking leggings and a fucking top. A tank top is fucking summer, bitch. Like, what the fuck do you want me to wear? You could have worn a dress or something. You're so sexy. Everybody's looking at you. That was what the fucking female said to me in this fucking place after spending nearly $5,000 for a fucking pedicure in fucking Jamaica. No, like niggas, you know, I spend my blood clot money when I go places, and I'm wanting them to understand blood clot this. Me not dibby blood clot, girl. When I go to people's store, I buy what I fucking want. Me just spend small change at people place. And it's not even about that, but me not go to people place to go disrespect them. I always polite. Me not make loud nice. Me not go to people place to go behave like a skittle. I me not wear G-string. Me not wear certain clothes. I'm telling you already, I don't wear certain clothes. The lady say everybody in the place. Somebody said the name in the comment section, like them experience that at the place. It's like on a know, so it's something where they bitch them up there do. Somebody said the name, but me now go say it out, but this is somebody comment a name and they said the vibe is given. Yes. It look like say some of them always do. Right? The woman look for me and said to blood clot me, say, everybody in the place I look for me, everybody I look for me. And if me could dress in a one dress, me make everybody look for me and them something there. I mean, just smile it off. You know, as bad as how I feel, I just smile. I just, you know, like, I just smile and say, you know, am I not in clothes, you know? And she was like, no, you could have worn a dress. And I just smile, knowing the monster that is in me. I know I'm going to tell that woman, yeah, to go suck her mother. I just happily take the something and walk out with a smile. I may never come to TikTok. I may never talk about it. And this is like 2 months ago. And I never spoke on it. And I felt so fucking bad. Deep down inside. I felt bad. And I still will not call this name. I see people commenting the name and saying that it's like it's that place. But I will not say it out of my mouth. That is how most of these people treat you in Jamaica. You wear a jeans pants because your body big. Me never ask God to make me, you know. I did not ask God to make me. I never I saw my band, my body, my granny look the same way. My auntie them have the same shape. Me never asked God to make me. I did not ask God for that. I never asked God for that. Girl, you should have blasted them the same way because I know how people are on TikTok and I'm always a cuss. I actually kept it to myself. I kept it to myself because I know how people are towards me on the internet. I did not want to come to the internet to talk about that. And up until this day, I will never ever even like, you know, like say it, call the name. Me see people call the name because I look like say it's regular. They do these things to black women.
Kyhighlah calls out 5-star hotel staff for trying to ruin her engagement celebration.
$250,000 me spend on the hotel here and a baby money me spend. Oh God, what's your name? I see her name tag. She do too much. Saying that there is a problem for her coming and saying everything. We're talking about the principle. That is it. It is not the idea of the lady coming and speaking about my outfit. I've been sitting here since 8, after 8, going to 9 o'clock. I haven't been here like 1 minute ago. I've been here for like a long time. Nobody is not saying that she's wrong, but normally when you go to restaurants and you are not dressed appropriate, they approach you when you're entering. You're not with the dress code, they approach you and they say something to you, ma'am. You know that this is too much, you can't enter. They don't wait until you're having your main course to come and have a talk with you. It is a form of discrimination, and I don't care what nobody says. You don't have to like me, you don't have to follow me, you don't have to love me. But this is the truth. This is straight up discrimination. This is discrimination. Either not you like it, it is discrimination. Treat them so. Do not make excuse for bad behavior. All you know own on a blood clot treat so has no bad mind. And I make me start for uno.
They don't have any people in her name. They have in her name.
They might come tell me say it's a family hotel and a manager send her and this and that. But if you know the dress code,
maybe watching the live and they do whatever code, they know everything like that. Shut the fuck up.
no, them know me, I tell you. I literally tell myself, you know, when time I see all people look at me today, I told myself I don't want to go back to no hotel in Jamaica. I don't think it's good. It's not safe. No, they're very hateful. No.
Babe, you look like $1 million. You have alpha shit on your hands. I caught these people in.
All of the girl them might eat ass. But just making skin out and bend over back way. And using 2 hands and spread the ass cheek. Then man after me go to the eating. My love. Yeah. Right that's all. A girl can't judge me. Man I pay my bills, then why not? I not drink out a girl cup and them. Enough girl and your back for your box of KFC. Amount of millions that they boy they spend for me.
Baby.
I love you. Yes, baby. You know I tell her you love her back.
I know you. You set them up real good. That you did it on purpose.
Una wish me dead so bad. Una wish me downfall so bad. Una wish for nobody no want me so bad. To the point where when you even go and I say, you take the woman ring. You know how serious it is for engage to bumbleclad somebody? Do you know how serious it is? For somebody take up thousands of dollars and buy you one diamond ring? Do you know how serious it is? Do you know how fucking serious that is? When I come wish death upon me, all my body ever gone missing cause me I take the woman things and me I take people things and me no want them. I literally curse out my fiance before she actually gave me that ring, and best believe it fucking did happen. It did happen. And you know what happened? After all of that, we went back to the room and God see I know. She lock off the light and bend up and tell me to turn on my phone if I want. And I was like, what the fuck is this? Because me at this point I was upset. When I come tell me about, oh, Me, no want a person. I'm always honest. I don't need to lie to nobody for their things. I don't. But what is most embarrassing is that half of you fucking local Jamaican whores who no tend for run down some man when I go no nothing at all. Them not even go no money for the embarrassment where them a put on a blood clot show. Cause enough of una go through certain things. And then no one to come dictate to woman where them to take from people or how them to live them blood clot life. Like how much I want to want blood clot married and breed out no bumbo clot for different man. You no come pan this I come try to come take set for me. No take no blood clot set for me. Don't take no fucking set for me, dirty whore. Or no don't take no set for me. Don't fucking take no set for me. Me see too much I wanna go through shit. They come bring me down, brother. Too much. Uno try with people boy pitney when I do not want at all for no. We do the bare minimum for uno. Uno see somebody with a ring now. Oh, she don't like this person. Them to kill her, them to find nobody somewhere. I mean they tell us to go all of these restaurants in Jamaica go selling a pussy and still failing at it. Bumbo clot bitches, me they ever go out, brother. Me no blood clot left me yard. Me no left me yard like that, virgin. Go ask any bumbo clot body about me. Me no left me yard like that, brother. Me no left me yard like that, virgin. Remember me telling you that. A man still a look for me and I look for me and I look for find me. You think say me one of the same blood clot thing? Me alone. Leave me alone. And this popcorn thing is getting stale. It's getting stale. Uno delusional, no contradict uno own self about every fucking thing in my life. It's like if you don't live for see, my life uno don't feel good. Because you don't want somebody to bring down somebody, you don't want to use me as a fucking scapegoat when time I talk. You don't hear say, me a the bad guy, you don't hear say, me a this and me a that. You hear say, me a the this and me a the that because me not to defend myself but me to allow people to walk all over me and disrespect blood clot me. And that me for do. You don't know nothing in my life, you don't understand nothing at all. Oh, she don't want the person. First, me the ear say me buy the tour them for myself. Me ear say me buy the bag for myself. Me the ear say the bag all fucking fake. Me ear all sort of things. I don't want the person. I don't want the person, so I try everything to make this person turn their mind against me. When I come tell me about, me no want the person. I'm always honest. I don't need to lie to nobody for their things. But what is most embarrassing is that half of you fucking local Jamaican whores who no tend for run down some man when I go no nothing at all. Them not even go no money for the embarrassment where them a put on a blood clot show. Cause enough of una go through certain things. And then no one to come dictate to woman where them to take from people or how them to live them blood clot life. Like how much I want to want blood clot married and breed out no bumbo clot for different man. You no come pan this I come try to come take set for me. No take no blood clot set for me. Don't take no fucking set for me, dirty whore. Or no don't take no set for me. Don't fucking take no set for me. Me see too much I wanna go through shit. They come bring me down, brother. Too much. Uno try with people boy pitney when I do not want at all for no. We do the bare minimum for uno. Uno see somebody with a ring now. Oh, she don't like this person. Them to kill her, them to find nobody somewhere. I mean they tell us to go all of these restaurants in Jamaica go selling a pussy and still failing at it. Bumbo clot bitches, me they ever go out, brother. Me no blood clot left me yard. Me no left me yard like that, virgin. Go ask any bumbo clot body about me. Me no left me yard like that, brother. Me no left me yard like that, virgin. Remember me telling you that. A man still a look for me and I look for me and I look for find me. You think say me one of the same blood clot thing? Me alone. Leave me alone. And this popcorn thing is getting stale. It's getting stale. Uno delusional, no contradict uno own self about every fucking thing in my life. It's like if you don't live for see, my life uno don't feel good. Because you don't want somebody to bring down somebody, you don't want to use me as a fucking scapegoat when time I talk. You don't hear say, me a the bad guy, you don't hear say, me a this and me a that. You hear say, me a the this and me a the that because me not to defend myself but me to allow people to walk all over me and disrespect blood clot me. And that me for do. You no know nothing in my life. You no understand nothing at all. Oh, she no want the person. First, me the ear say me buy the two of them for myself. Me ear say me buy the bag for myself. Me the ear say the bag all fucking fake. Me ear all sort of things. I only want the person. I don't mean I only want the person. So now I try everything to make this person turn their mind against me. Who make on a sad so? Don't tell me if you leave no internet. Me'll find you and beat you. I prefer to put get in at the bimmer, find you and beat your blood clot. One time I come in on your face, you can talk the same way you're talking at the comment section, bitch. Cause you're a bad blood clot girl. I'm a bad girl in a real fucking life. I put any money on any liar blood clot table. Go suck on a mother. You hear that? Cause you're a bad girl, no? You're not bad in a blood clot. You're not better than blood clot me. Mash up on a blood clot. You think that this internet thing is because I'm bored. I make money on the internet. And money me do this for. Me do this to bring down people. You hear that? Me not talk nothing pan this so me can blood clot defend. Me talk no about no bitch, me can blood clot defend that. So no come every day and people comment section that bring down people that talk all sorts of things fan people like and all sorts of things. Make sure so you can fucking defend it in a real life. That is what I'm talking about. When time I pull up on your fucking foot, when I find out where you fucking live and where you work, you make sure so you not act shy. And that me I talk about. But come off of internet. Come off of which internet? If you no blood clot internet this, you no own blood clot social media, you no have blood clot name brand bag for post. You don't have ring for post. Me say I want a problem. You don't have nothing for post. So I don't want me to come and fight. Because you know, hate the fact that me can blood clot post things for ya. If no man no want me, so what if me never know say my pussy a fool no pussy too. Me never know that. Me never know say my pussy is fool no pussy. Me never know that. When you not fuck and have a blood clot bed, nobody a bring you down and a dip on your back. Nobody a beat you know. Eh? When you come and take blood clot set for me like I'm telling you fuck for not like Ali button, eh? When I come talk about say I want people for them blood clot things, eh? Me not love the person. First you say nobody no want me. First you say me buy the things them. Now when you come to realize say somebody and me really there. Oh, me no want the person. Me this me that. You don't even know nothing about the girl. You know nothing about the person. You know know who the person is. In personality, they can get anybody to date. And everybody go for looks and certain things. But you see, one time people live certain lifestyle and a big fuck out or in front of them, you take on a step and you take set from blood clot them. And none of blood clot, you big pussy girl, male drive down on a blood clot and fuck on up. And that me I tell blood clot, you hear me say? I use up my woman money for pay a liar. Don't fuck on yourself with me. That me a bumbo clot tell you know. You hear that? Come in and none of me and none of blood clot mate. Stop call me name. Do you hear that? Stop mention my bomber ass clot name Bridget. Oh. First thing when I got the bag, I heard that my bag was fake. My bag is bought in a real authentic Louis Vuitton store. My bag has my signature on it, right? I heard that I buy my stuff myself and I see all of these fucking disgusting comments. Let me remind you guys, I always talk to high value men. Me no go low. Me no blood clot go low. Me never fuck scammer virgin. And it's real life. I don't. Cause scammer and me make the same money. You know make no sense me go fuck a nigga where I make 10 grand like me or 20 grand like me. I don't fuck certain niggas. And it's just the truth. So when you come now and you not talk as that thing, it's so weird. It's like when I contradict on one fucking self and the whole group I want to feel like say something good and not do. And not talk all of these things. My girlfriend I say all of them something here. It not looking good. The whole fucking week for months now on me. One time I see other woman get them things and them a do what them want to do. I don't see nobody bringing them down on the internet. All of these so-called influencers, I'm telling you some bumbo clot influencers, brother. I am not no influencer. I don't want to have nothing to do with none of them. I don't want the likings from none of them virgin. I don't want none of them to like me. I don't want none of them to like bumbo clot me. Go suck on a mother, brother. Go suck on a big pussy mama. Go dead summer virgin. One time I did on my life, I'm there here, I don't see someone on the comment, you know. If me even say something positive, you know. If me even there here, I do something positive, you know. Una day you have to screen record and cut up and spread in your own the fuckery narrative. To bring down. But if you go take up one bumper clap man a roadside where you out a garbage pan, for you come blood clot pity me. Hey, you go suck on a blood clot man and lower my bumper clot, you know. And that me I tell you is me go pull up my bumper clot, BMW bumper clot and can find on a fuck up on a bumper clot. And that me I tell you no. You know lower for me. Lower for my bumper rascal name. Me and Uno no mate. Me sure say she not message none of Uno. So Uno no need for the for me. Me never tell none of Uno say, me and name out nobody. Me never tell Uno that. Me and never have no discussion and say, oh, me and name out nobody. Enough blood clot rich man left in the darkness. And when you look good, girl, you have good pussy. You left blood clot boy with them money and left them sad and lonely. You understand? Not because Uno not used to know at all. Because most of Uno have blood clot depend the happen on some dirty girl when I used to know. And me can see it clearly. Don't fuck on a bumper clot self, Virgin. No, I do too much now. It's so awful. I had to come up my fucking hotel room, left the bee in there because here what? Me no want her to see them something and see the emotion to in me right now because only they even know where we go through and what happen and all of these things. You don't know no at all, you don't feel like you don't know things. You don't feel like you don't know things.
I'm gonna give you a little pum pum tonight. I never give you no pum pum. It feels weird, you know? Yeah. It feels weird, you know? I feel looking at myself now. Looking at myself now. No, this is bad. No, sir. I want the phone ringing. I told you somebody was knocking on the door. I wonder, because I'm waiting really nice to get your pum pum. I'm pussy in a bag. No. Keep it traditional, man. Make her wait till the morning to get a pum pum. Hey, pump is over. Hey, the brand to take back and give them a ring. Somebody say, boss up. Somebody say me for boss up. You know what I mean, man? Yes. Somebody say me for boss up. What do you say, guys? What do you say? I want to say, where we go on? Oh, yes, the on the moon night. I run the pum later. What do you say? Yes, man, yes. Everybody say yes. People let my vote here. Hey, people let my TikTok vote here. They know I deserve it. I feel like you deserve it. Maybe where's the jeans? Where's the jeans? But let them and me and jeans take up too much space in our clothes. You have one word obsession with jeans. You're supposed to take them for jeans. No. Yes. Run it later. You know, I should have called one girl for a threesome. How? You know what, a threesome? You know, I'm a boss you. Eh? I can't manage that. You're one whole cake. What? You're one whole cake already. I have to spend my time with you first. After you can do that. Oh, alright. You're answering me and you're answering. Huh? So what me you're playing Don't mind me at all. Hello? Hello? It has to be a fake page. Anyways, I
I noticed, right? It could be her page, but it's not her. Because she has been doing that for a few weeks about, but she stopped because I blocked her from everything. But anyways, back to what I was saying now. I noticed a lot of you girls saying a lot of nasty, very horrible, disrespectful stuff on my page, And I hate to have to come here to say certain things and have to even defend myself certain way. But you be ever rest. And this is why, even the other night when I went to the dinner and the female did what she did, I noticed people are saying that, you can't wear naked clothes, go everywhere. Certain things that you guys say is it just shows me a reason why I need to even stop wasting my time and my money coming to places locally. Sooner or later, I'm going to stop going places in Jamaica, period. Just my condos where I live. Because you people are so fucking so negative, so bad mind on the energy sitting in. And it's like, don't like to see people have peace. Who I marry or who I did have nothing, I repeat, nothing at all to do with none of you people. It has nothing at all to do with none of you people. You understand? I know I never tell nobody that I was completely straight. You same people are the ones that go to pay to leak stuff of me and women. So when I end up marrying a female, why is it that people are come making a big excitement? I am not your child. I'm my own adult. And the same when I bring me down, when I still bring me down same way. My life is my life. My life is not your life. You understand what I'm saying? Leave me alone. When I come tell me, say, me for sure the person that I'm dating, that has nothing to do with you. The person that I'm dating is not a social media person. On the upon the little mix up page, I say so much I always upon my page, I beg friend from me, so much I I call me down my phone and I try to enough up in me. On the upon the page, I bring me down, I say all of these things, and it left me for wonder, what type of human beings are you, delusional or what? You understand what I'm saying? I can post what I want to post, but if I don't want to post certain things, I should have to come and explain certain things to none of you people. It's none of your business, and I don't live my life not private. It's not a case where I am not highlighted as a it's not a case where I'm highlighted as a straight person. I'm not straight. I never told anybody that I was straight. I see the disrespect. I see the comments. And you know what? Because I have a beautiful heart, I will continue to hurt your little feelings. I will continue to make someone upset and know what is right and live my life. Because at the end of the day, none of uno cannot stop nothing that is happening here. Not one of uno cannot stop nothing at all that is happening right here. So, if I for uno, I'm dead long time. And it's just the truth. It is also truth. This gossip, I'm glad to see a lot of things. And because even people when me talk to, a lot of people when me talk to them fake. I have people up in my life. We're up in my relationship and not even tell me fucking congratulations. And I tell me say them want to meet my woman, but never even tell me congratulations, but want to come up in my life. I'm very sitting in and I don't want people to call them a friend and not bitter. I'm not nice. None of you cannot stop anything that is happening here. None of you body you bring down. What about happiness when you don't have? Let's start because enough of you don't have that. When you cuss me say me never have a ring, I know I have a ring when I tell me say what is a ring. This ring costs a lot of money. This is a ring to show. Me never did I go hide it. Pink wall hungry in a blood clot. See dirty pink wall in my DM. Hi, can you do promotion? Greetings. I was wondering if you would be interested in my promotion special. 2 weeks promotion for $70 US. You will be receiving 2 posts daily. 1 story share and 1 page share promotion will last for 14 days. All content on my page will be there forever. Payment will be accepted via PayPal, Cash App, or bank transfer. I'll be running the Instagram ad for your content also. Your website or your channel link will be placed inside my bio. Hey, so all your hungry in a blood clot nasty pink wall.